Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Java Stories, and we are building this LeetCode SQL question series, and today we are going to solve question number 610, which is triangle judgment. So what is given to us? We are given a table triangle with three sides x, y, z, and we need to tell whether these three sides of the triangle actually represents a triangle or not. For example, these three sides does not represent a triangle, so we have to add another column in the output with the name triangle and say no, these three sides of a triangle do represents a proper triangle, and that's why it's saying yes. First of all, we need to understand what constitutes a triangle. For that, let us consider a triangle. Suppose this is my triangle. This is side A, this is side B, and this is side C. Okay, now suppose I say if A plus B is greater than C, because sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So this condition need to be valid if the three sides represents a triangle. Not only this, we need to make sure B plus C is also greater than A, and also A plus C should also greater than B. If all these three conditions holds true, then I could say that three sides represents a proper triangle. In this case, which is come out to be no, let us see why this is no. Because if we add 15 plus 13, which comes out to be 28, and 28 is not greater than 30, and that's why this row does not represent a triangle. In this case, if you add 10 plus 20 is greater than this, 20 plus 15 greater than 10, and 10 plus 15 is greater than 20. So this represents a triangle. In which company it has been asked? It has been asked in Meta, Google, Amazon, Apple, Uber and Bloomberg. Rather than a SQL question, it's a maths question. Now let us go to the data grid and try to write this query. I am in the data grid. I have already created this table triangle and also inserted the data. So what we need to write, we just need to check for the condition case when x plus y is greater than z and x plus z is greater than y and y plus z is greater than x, then I will say yes, else I would say no. And as triangle, if I run this query, then I get what I really wanted in my output, no and yes. Now let us go to the LeetCode and try to submit the solution. I am in the LeetCode. I have already explained this question to you. Now I am trying to paste my solution, try to run for the test case number 1, and it is a wrong answer. Why so? Because the spelling is wrong, triangle. Let me run this again. Now it has been accepted. Let me run for all the test cases and check. Yeah, our solution has been accepted and we are able to beat 8.59% of the users. Let me just try to submit this once again. Now I am able to beat 20.21, which is quite okay. If you're liking the content, then please like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video to all your friends.